Hi guys, standard car. So today ay nagbubuk lang tayo ng Grab papuntang church kasi hindi na ako magdadala ng kotse pag uwi para kasabay na ako nila pag uwi, hindi na ako magdadala ng car. So, and second time ko ito mag-grab. So medyo kinakabahan ako and it's a fun experience then doing this. Kasi nga, I'm not used to doing this. Mag-commute kasi nga takot ako mag-commute. And yung mga nangyayari pag nagko-commute, diba? So, yun. Wow, may s'mores! First wheel na talaga ako. Hindi pala yan eh. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Friday. Oh my gosh, thank God it's Friday. And I'm vlogging today. First time ko tong gamitin ng ganitong POV shot where I will talk while driving to work. Kasi I don't usually vlog ng ganito sa work. But now, I'm inspired vlogging again. Kasi nga, parang sunod-sunod ulit yung pag-upload ko ng vlog. And I want to keep it up ulit sa pag-vlogging. And I miss vlogging. Talagang ngayon, nanonood ako ng mga vloggers sa YouTube. Ewan ko, parang mas na-appreciate ko lang yung vlogging na longer sa YouTube kaysa yung mga nasa TikTok or Reels na mga short videos. Kasi nakikita mo talaga yung life nila beyond the social media nila. So, they really share their life on a longer form. And I'm so inspired to do that. And I've been sharing my life with you guys. And now na medyo naging na yung work natin, medyo naging gamay na natin yung mga workloads natin, is I wanna do a vlog again. And una kasi, right after Canada, I didn't vlog much just because sobrang dami adjustment for my work, schedules ko, and all of that. Tapos nangyari pa ng engagement and all of that. Kasi na-stop din ako mag-vlogging just because ang dami nangyari when I went back here in the Philippines galing Canada. Kasi 'di ba work ako ulit, nagkaroon ng events din sa church namin. And then biglang nagpe-prepare na ako for the wedding. So sabay-sabay silang lahat. And now medyo maluwag na yung schedule ko. Busy pa rin pero can manage na. Unlike yung una pa, hindi talaga ako maka-vlog ng maayos. Actually, madami akong na-attempt na vlogs, pero at the end of the day, hindi din nag-work. I mean, hindi ko na finish yung vlog ko. Nalilimutan ko na nag-vlog pala ako. But now, I'm vlogging kasi later, me and my fiance ay mag-watch kami ng Spider-Man. Yes, guys. We will watch Spider-Man later. Kasi showing na siya. And I'm not really an avid fan, but I'm really watching Marvels growing up. Talagang I keep watching on Marvel shows. So, this one, Spider-Man, nanood kami later.
And ang tagal ko na kasi hindi siya nakita. As in, Sunday pa yung huli naming kita. So, later is our date day. So, kasi it's Friday naman. Wala naman pasok tomorrow. So, we can go out and date. Kasi busy din kami both with our work. And nagkasakit din ako simula Monday until Wednesday. So, I've been resting the whole week lang. Kahapon lang ako bumalik ng work. And sobrang dami kong ginawa sa work. And, kakabalik ko lang kahapon. And today, I'll be going to work again. So, 2 araw lang ako nag-work this week just because I really need to rest my voice. Gawa nang nawalan ako ng boses nung Monday. Buti na lang, bumalik na siya agad. Hindi na siya tuloy-tuloy na nagkasakit yung lalamunan ko kasi I've been taking care of my lalamunan the past few days. So, talaga yung mga bawal is bawal talaga. Hindi talaga tayo kumakain ng bawal. So, yun lang. So, I'll just catch you up guys later. Bye!
Hi guys! So, right now, I'm just booking myself ng Grab kasi pupunta akong Evia today to meet my fiancé kasi we're having a date. And ayoko kasi mag-drive. Hindi din siya makapunta dito kasi sobrang traffic. And meron kasi kaming hinahabol na movie which is yun nga, nanonood kami na Spider-Man. And kailangan namin mahabol siya. Kung uwi pa siya dito sa Santa Rosa, mahirap na as in, galing pa siyang Alabang. So, ang hirap mag-drive kasi malilate kami sa aming appointment. So, ayun. So, mag-aano na lang ako, mag-grab na lang ako. And then, safe naman nag-grab, diba? From all the people naman na papanood ko, feeling ko naman, safe naman yung grab. Hindi lang kasi ako sanay mag-commute kasi hindi naman ako nagko-commute, guys, as in. So, guys, my grab is in 5 minutes na lang. And, grabe, ang mahal pala ng Grab ngayon. I don't know if ako lang, pero mahal pala ng Grab. Kasi, hindi ko alam yung rates noon ng Grab. Alam ko mga 300 plus lang. Pero ngayon, ang mahal na niya. Like, 500 for a Grab. So, medyo mahal siya. Pero, wala tayong choice. Kailangan natin mag-Grab today. Kasi nga, ayaw natin mag-drive. So, tiis ganda tayo, guys.
Madodi ka?
Yes po. Blue light. Pakita mo.
Oh, yeah. Wow! Para siyang
Every
ten-ten.
summer, every winter, on every season, I'll be missing her. No matter how much time goes by, my love for her will never die. Lately I've been wondering why goodbyes can be this sweet, yet we still cry. With all the wind goes our mistakes, my love for her will never change.